Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best dead blow hammers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Dead Blow Hammers. In this article we review what we believe to be the best dead blow hammers currently available on the UK marketplace. These are unusual in the world of hammers. They are in fact mallets rather than hammers. These are used to deliver a heavy but slower impact, but with less rebound than you would get from a normal hammer. They are classed as a specialist type of hammer. Number 5. OEM Tools 25517 3-piece dead blow hammer set. These neon green tools are easy to find. You place them. Each dead blow rubber hammer is crafted. Each rubber dead blow hammer is steel shot filled for even more striking power. Main features: high quality materials, heavy duty hammer, multiple uses. Number 4. Dead blow hammer 1.5 pounds dual head brass tip. Hammer is great for gunsmithing and also ideal to use on metal, leather, woodwork, jewelry, cars, machine. Our hammer is constructed on the surface even after multiple strokes. Main features: machined solid brass head, easy to grip handle, 100% guarantee. Number 3. C&T 3 pounds dead blow hammer red unibody. The surface of the hammer head is smooth and shiny. Materials solid and durable, high temperature resistance, durable, so that the hammer is not easy to fall. Facilitate. Main features: anti-skid handle design, soft and comfortable, corrosion resistance. Number 2. S-Twin dead blow hammer 45OZ. Steel canister handle are completely encased in polyurethane, which is oil and chemical tolerant. Eliminates or minimizes denting and marring. Reduces swing fatigue. Main features: polyurethane handle, non-slip cushion grip, multi-use mallet. Number 1. 3-piece premium dead blow hammer and unicast mallet. Steel shot-filled hammer head eliminates post-strike rebound, transfers full energy of each blow into workpiece. Heavy-duty reinforced all-metal interior construction. Main features: bounce-resistant design, durable construction, non-slip grip. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.